Hi, it's Tom from Ace Fire and Security. I'm just here to show you a feature on the Pyronix Euro panel. This is called Chime. So if you wanted to know if someone had come in the front door at any time during the day, this is the feature that you would enable. So with the system in day mode, you would press C. That would bring a C up in the display. And then if I open the door, that is the chime tone. Every time the door is opened, that's what you would hear. If you did want to then turn the chime off, you would press C. That would turn the chime off in the display. This doesn't affect the setting and unsetting of the system. You can still set and unset the system with the chime on. Just every time you turn it off, that's what you'll hear when you open the door. Okay, see you on the next one.